Yes, Ellen. Good evening. Hello, Ellen. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
You have not joined the class that is scheduled, the second class tomorrow?
Sir, yesterday's class, right?
Yes. Oh, sorry, yesterday class. Yes.
Yes, sir. I actually forgot. They actually told me the class is at afternoon, like 1 to 3. So then you only took 1 hour. So then I thought what happened. Then they gave a message to my mom in the afternoon, one more class is there. But then my mom was out, so she didn't see the message.
Okay. Okay. So we have completed the bank reconciliation statement, and I have given you one question. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So have you tried the question?
Yeah, two questions are there. I started doing.
And is there any doubt?
Uh, as of now, I started doing. There's nothing as doubt. If there's anything, I'll tell you.
Okay. So uh, today you want to start rectification. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, actually, rectification I have started in one of the class. Mm, That was okay. Yes, here it is. You can see
Yes, sir.
rectification of error. If it is already written, then it will take less time to explain and for you to take notes.
Yes, sir. So while they're selecting, I think some of the part of the right side are not getting selected, like 4,500 amount
Just
and
1 minute. Just 1 minute. Now it will be selected. Can you see?
yes, sir.
Everything is selected. Okay, so some of the item will be missed. So that's I will write. Rectification of error means like while doing accounting, we make many mistakes. Okay, you cannot say that everything is foolproof. Okay, we make mistake. That's why uh, we need to rectify these mistakes, these errors. Now, don't get confused with mistakes and fraud. Mistakes, like errors and fraud, are two different things. Error is done unintentionally. However, the fraud is done intentionally. So we are talking about error here, not fraud. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, rectification of error. Rectification means make it correct. If there is any mistake, we have to like correct it. Then error. Error means mistakes, like anything that you have written wrong. Uh, there can be different type of wrong. We will discuss all these. So it can be a mistake, and it is unintentionally. That is important. So rectification of error means a process to rectify all the mistakes, to correct all the mistakes or omission in the books while doing the accounting. Okay, so this is the definition. Please write this: the
Yes,
heading,
sir.
chapter name, and the definition. There are two definition actually. One is a little bit detailed. The first one is very easy one.
So could you go a bit up? Okay, okay, sir. Sir, finished.
Okay. So error means all the mistakes or omission in the books of account while doing the accounting, and process to correct these errors is called rectification of errors. So
Yes.
objective of rectification. So what is the purpose of rectification? To correct the mistakes in the books, to show the true and fair view, to ascertain the correct profit, to present the correct financial position. First of all, the most important part of the accounting is to present true and fair view of the business. So, if we will prepare the accounting records not correct, it is somewhere like we have done some mistake. So it will not give you the correct profit. It will not give you, not show you the correct financial position, is how much assets, liabilities we have.
Yes,
After
sir.
that, it will also not show the true and fair view, which is the main objective. And the first part is to correct the mistake in the books, means if there is any mistake, we have to correct it. So
Yes,
all
sir.
these are objective of rectification. Okay, there is no
Yes.
like detailed thing here, so it is very simple to understand that these are the objectives. Please write this.
Yes, sir, finished.
Okay, so rectification. Okay, so after objective, there are types of errors. I think you know about these errors.
Yes, sir.
You have studied these.
Yes, yes, sir.
Can you tell me a little bit about these four?
Um, Sir, error of omission is like not recording anything, like not even recording it, the transaction. Commission, error of commission is basically like you have made slight mistake in the amount.
Okay.
Then error of principal is, so last two I forgot.
Okay. So error of omission is like there are two type of omission. One is called partial omission. The second is called full
Full.
omission. Full
Yes,
entry is not recorded. So when we do partial omission, it is like some part of the entry is recorded, some part of it not recorded. So
record.
generally, partial omission is done in the ledger part, not journal entry. Because in journal entry, if you will not record any entry, it will be not recorded the whole entry, not
Yes,
any like you'll write the debit item, purchase account debit, and leave the second item. That is not possible. So in journal entry, the partial omission cannot be done. Only the full
ledger.
omission will be there. So
Yes,
in ledger, it can be done. Like in one account you have written, in another account you have missed. So
yes,
partial omission is always related to ledger, and
yes,
full omission can be anywhere. So when the transactions are not recorded in the books due to any reason, then it is called error of omission. Now, the one thing you have to remember that it should be unintentionally. I told you in the beginning.
yes,
So, partial omission when some part of transaction is omitted, and full omission when transaction is. It is also called complete omission. I will write that. That sounds better. Complete omission. So when transaction is not recorded at all. So you can see I have written the journal entry purchase account debit to cash account. So it is
yes,
not possible that you'll write one part and not the second part. So in
yes,
journal entry, it is not recorded. Okay. Then the actually no, before moving to the next part, you should write these four types of error, because one by one, if I explain and then give you time to write, then it will be completed along with.
yes. So could you go down? Yes, sir, finish.
Okay. Okay. Now the error of commission. When amount of any transaction is recorded, posted incorrect, then it is called it is error of commission. It also includes totaling, balancing, casting mistake. Totaling means casting also, actually. Just 1 minute. So uh, it is error. It also includes totaling, balancing, and casting mistakes. So I'm removing totaling because it is same as casting. So it also includes balancing and casting mistake, means totaling. So, for example, error of totaling, error of balancing, wrong amount recording, wrong amount posting. So, while calculating total, if you make any mistake, then it will be amount related mistake. If you're calculating a balance and then you're making mistake, it is also amount related mistake. Wrong amount recording, like 857 and you're recording 875, that is also error of commission. Wrong amount posting, that is also error of commission. So error of commission means any amount related mistake that we do in accounting process. Okay, please write this. Actually, in this chapter, most part is theory. Only some
Yes,
of
sir.
it is as question. Like there will be definition of mistake, there will be one-sided error, two-sided error. All these are theory, but there
Mm,
will be some portion related to that also.
yes, sir. So like our teacher told like in case like rectification any problem is there, and then if you're not able to find the rectifying entry, she told like do I mean write what is the correct entry, wrong entry, and then write the rectifying entries. So it will be easy for you.
Yes. Okay, that is double-sided ladder. But if it is one-sided, then you
You
cannot
can
do this.
write that.
Okay. Actually, if you, I was seeing your class schedule. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now you are in like hurry to complete these topics. You're like very, you want to complete it fast. Okay. Now think about it. Like in previous month,
Yes, sir.
uh, your class, I think the total number of class you joined is five.
Last month.
Yes,
Sir, because like I had exams, that's why.
I understand that. But uh, in September, you have joined total, I think, seven classes. Okay. So if you like keep missing the class due to any reason, because exam is in the afternoon or that, so you can schedule the class in the evening. It is not like that in during the class, if there is exam period of 1 month, so you will not take the class in 1 month. So if you keep doing this, then it will happen. Like you have to complete all other topics very fast till next exam. If you
Yes, sir.
like, if you are regular in the class, then you will be able to complete the topic in time. But yes, if you miss the class, then it happens. Like now you were focused on completing the topic rectification of error, take 6 to 7 classes. We have to complete it in 3 4. So it will be very fast. Sometime you'll understand something, sometime you'll not understand. So that's why the normal pace of class is very important. Okay, we
Yes, sir.
also can complete all the topics uh, in very few time, but that is not beneficial for a student. It is not beneficial for you. For exam purpose, yes, if you have the exam today, okay, so you can miss the class. That's fine. But what about next day? You can join the class, yes or no?
So the problem is that we don't have gap between exams. Like today, one exam
Okay.
means tomorrow.
So you are saying that from September to October, continuous exam was going on?
Yes, sir. And then not only that, after that, like I got this eye infection and all. So then I was down with 1 week. That's the problem.
No, no. I'm saying, how many exams were there?
So 5 exams.
So I'm saying from September to October, there was continuous examination of 30 days.
So 30 days we did not have exam.
So in September, you have missed many class. In October also, you have missed many class.
So the problem is that like after the exams, like after that, actually I was sick from exams only. And then after the exams only, I got this eye infection. So then like I couldn't join class. Like I couldn't open my eye and all. So then I couldn't join class because of that. So 1 week I was stressed.
I understand 1 week problem, but I'm talking about 2 months. You're not listening to me.
So, but then like after when I was okay, then I joined every class. Like after that, I don't think I missed so many classes.
After 23rd, you told me that you have like you don't have any examination.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So after 23rd, you have attended only 2 classes in the previous month. And there was total 8 days in that. So that's what I'm saying. That you miss so many classes when it is near exam, you continue like taking classes, but in between that, you miss so many classes. Okay,
Yes,
no
sir.
issue. Actually, I don't have any problem in completing the class in 2 3 days, but it will not be beneficial for you.
Yes, sir.
That's what I'm saying.
Yes, sir. So could you tell like what do you mean by wrong amount posting?
The wrong amount posting means again this like in journal entry it is 857, in ledger you are writing 875.
So like is it the same as wrong amount also?
Wrong amount recording means in journal you are making mistake. Wrong amount posting means in ledger you are making mistake.
Okay, okay. Yes, sir.
Now after that there is error of principle. So when transactions are not recorded as per the rules of accounting, then it is called error of principle. Okay, so if there are certain rules and regulation methods that we have to follow for accounting. Now, if there is some rules that you have not followed for recording process, then it is called error of principle. Generally, in the question, they will give you questions like capital and revenue expenditure type question.
Okay, okay.
Do you know what is capital expenditure, revenue expenditure?
Yes, sir.
Yes, if it is recurring in nature and non-recurring in nature. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so if it is non-recurring in nature, then it is capital. If it is recurring in nature, then it is a revenue.
Yes,
Also, the effect of expenditure, long-term capital expenditure, short-term revenue expenditure.
yes,
So,
yes.
when we record the revenue nature expenditure as capital or capital nature expenditure as a revenue, then it is error of principle.
So,
Okay,
we have to follow the rules. Isn't according to GAP, generally accepted accounting principles?
according to gap, what gap?
So, generally accepted accounting principles.
Okay, okay, you are talking about accounting standards. Okay, yes, you can say that in different countries there are different rules. So not only gap, there is many other rules. Like in India, it is INDAS, Indian Accounting Standards.
Okay, okay.
In like
IFRS is also there. No?
UK, yes, in UK it is IFRS, I
Hmm.
think. Yes, so there are different rules in different countries. Uh, there are some similarities between these rules, but they are not always same. So that's why we have to follow these rules as per the country, not as per international law, because every country have their own set of rules. So you have to follow them. If you're not following the rules, then that is the mistake related to presentation. Okay. But
Yes.
there is a rule related to accounting, which is same in every country,
Hmm.
which is same in every country. So capital nature expenditure is same for every country. Revenue nature expenditure is same for every country. So if you're making these mistakes, okay, so it is a rule related mistake. It is called error of principle. If you're not following the US GAAP or Indian accounting standard, then these are not error of principle. These are error of presentation. Like
Yes,
you are
sir.
making mistake in presentation. That's it.
Yes, sir.
So installation expenses recorded as repair expenses means like I told you that when we purchase any asset and there are some expenses which is important for bringing it uh, in a condition which is like now we can use it. Okay.
Okay.
So if we can use it, then it is like it is ready for use. Then before that, all the expenses that is incurred which is necessary for bringing asset in ready condition, all these expenses are recorded as machine cost, means it is included in the cost of machine. So
Okay.
installation expenses is also part of cost of machine.
Okay. Okay.
So you should include it in the machine cost, not repair expenses. So if you write installation expenses as repair, then it is error of principle.
Yes, sir.
Please write this.
So could you go down? So should I write this capital and revenue expenditure?
No, that is not important.
Okay. Sir, I finished.
The compensatory errors. So if one mistake hides the effect of another mistake, it is called compensatory errors. Like you can see the example that purchase 5,000 recorded as 500. So there is 4,500 less amount on the debit side. Yes.
Yes, sir.
And if you don't record the sale of 4,500, not recorded, or you write the sale of 5,000, the same mistake actually on the credit side also. So sale 5,000 recorded as 500. Okay, so this second mistake will hide the effect of first mistake. Yes.
But then the amount is 5,000, right?
Yes.
So like, how can it hide the hide the mistake?
How can it hide the mistake? You have written less amount on the debit side. Okay. If there
Okay.
is only this mistake,
Hmm.
okay, so it means on the debit side it will be 500, on the credit side it will be 5,000. So this mistake can be found easily
Okay, okay,
because
okay. Yes, sir.
4,500 will be difference and your trial balance will not match. So you can find this mistake easily. But when
Yes,
you make this mistake, then it will hide the effect of the first mistake. Now you will not be able to find the first or second mistake.
yes, yes.
So that is what I'm talking about.
Okay.
So this is compensatory errors. Record it. Your exam is on 11th.
The exam starts on 15th, but I think accounts exam is on 18th.
So we have some time to complete this topic. No?
Yes, sir. We have one more week.
So why you are in hurry? Like there is two
Sir,
classes scheduled today. I think if you uh, like studying this much, then you'll not be able to understand things.
sir, like I thought from counting from 8th till like Thursday, like we only have three classes. So then I thought we could maybe finish within three classes. Like 8th we had one class, then a 10th
No,
one
but
class.
every day, if they schedule the class, maybe they miss one or two class. That's okay. But if they schedule a class on daily basis, that is also fine. No.
Yes, sir.
So if you study too much theory in one day, do you think you'll understand all these? You'll able to like process all these?
Sir, maybe not all.
Okay, done.
Sir, one second.
Because generally when we teach student, we have like a fixed component that we try to discuss with them. Okay,
Yes,
we
sir.
don't go beyond that because we understand that there is a limitation of
Yes,
our mind. So
yes, sir.
at 11, 12 level, the student has very like difficulties in processing all these new things that they have studied. But okay, if you have already studied these, then maybe you can process all these.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now, for rectification purpose, error are classified into two categories. One is called one-sided error, which affect the trial balance because there will be mistake in one side only, so it will affect the trial balance. Your trial balance will not match. Then two-sided error not affect the trial balance means if you have done the mistake on both side, then obviously your trial balance will match. You will not be able to find this error easily. Two-sided error is very difficult to find. One-sided
Yes,
error
sir.
you can easily find, but two-sided error, that is very difficult. Okay, so it will not affect the trial balance. Your trial balance will match due to this. Then the stage of rectification. The first is errors, like different type of errors on the basis of like side, how many sides is affected by the error. Then there is a stage of rectification, means when we start rectification process, the first stage is when we have not prepared the trial balance. Then if we find the mistake at that point, we will rectify it before trial balance. And if we find the mistake after trial balance, then rectification of error after preparing trial balance, but before final account.
Yes, sir. So could you go up? Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir, I finished.
Sorry, there was some like sound happening. Okay,
Yes, yes, sir.
so okay. Now, you can see I have prepared this format that when we prepare trial balance, if you remember, I told you that if both sides are not matching, then we transfer the balance to suspense account. So if
Yes,
your debit side is lower, then you write the suspense account on the debit side. If your credit side is lower, then you write the suspense account on the credit side. Yes?
yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is after the trial balance concept. Actually, before trial balance, if you find, then it is very easy. If you have not
Yes,
prepared the trial balance, then either it is in journal entry or ledger. Yes.
yes,
So now, if mm, yes, so if it is one-sided error, because stage of rectification, if it is one-sided error, then it cannot be in journal, because in journal it will be always two-sided error.
yes, yes.
Okay, so one-sided error is always related to ledger.
Okay.
So so if it is one-sided error, it can be solved only by writing a sentence. You don't have to pass the journal entry. Don't have to, like, you'll simply write uh, to or by in this account, and the error name, like it is posting error, the totaling error or balancing error. So you have to write the name of the error and to and by, because of the sides. Okay, so one sided error is always related to ledger. Then when we discuss the two sided error, it can be in journal, it can be in ledger, both. Before trial balance, it means only two places, journal, ledger. So two-sided error can be in both of these. But after trial balance, if we have find the error after trial balance, it means we have already transferred the balance to suspense account. Yes.
Yes, yes, yes.
So if suspense account we have transferred the balance 15,000, so later we will find the mistake and transfer the amount from suspense account to the respective account. So
Yes,
let's say if there is a mistake 5,000, so here 2,000, 3,000, 5,000. So total 15,000 was in the suspense account, and like this it will be transferred in respective accounts, and suspense account will be clear.
yes,
So this is the like after trial balance part. Now,
yes,
rectification of error before preparing trial balance we are discussing. So this is one-sided error. Actually, you have written this. Yes. So one-sided error. Error which will impact the trial balance. That is, trial balance will not match due to these errors. It is called one-sided error. It only affect one account. Uh, there are still so many things. Just 1 minute. So it is called one-sided error. It it is it only affects one side of one account.
so like, so in one-sided array, don't we have to like prepare the rectifying entry?
No, it is one-sided error. If you pass the journal entry, then there will be two side. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So one side will be rectified by writing only one side.
So like for example, like credit sales to Mohan for like 7,000 were recorded as 7,200. So then is it a one-sided error?
You tell me.
Yeah,
If
I think
you have recorded a credit sale to Mohan of 7,000 as 7,200, is it related to Mohan and sales both or anyone?
it is related to Mohan and sales.
Both.
Yes.
So it is not one-sided error. You can see the definition. It only affects one side of one account.
Oh, okay, okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So the example for this is error of posting. Error of casting means like while entering the journal, writing the journal entry into ledger, you have written it in one account but not in another account. That is error of posting. So one
Okay.
part you have already written, but another part you have missed. So that is one-sided error. Error of casting means if one-sided is corrected, like calculated total, correct, and the second side, another side, total is incorrect. So it is also one-side error. Error of balancing, that is also one-side error because balancing is done on one side only. Error of carry forward means you have calculated the balance and writing the balance to the next part, then you make a mistake. So that is related to one-sided only. All these errors are one-sided. You can see here uh, sales account. You can see sales account and Mohan account. Sold goods to Mohan.
Yes.
Actually, I will explain one by one this. First, we are discussing the error of posting.
Yes, sir.
So, error of posting we are talking about here. We have to take an example. Sold goods to Mohan 5,000. Yes,
Yes, sir.
sold goods to Mohan. So, journal entry is correct. It is Mohan account debit to
On
sales.
the sales account.
So, I have written journal entry correct. Mohan account debit to sales account. But while writing in any one of these, in Mohan account, it is correct to sales 5,000. But in sales account, you have written by Mohan 500. Now tell me, is this error of posting? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is. While writing the journal entry into ledger, you have done this mistake. So it is
Yes, sir.
error of posting. Now, error
Yes.
of posting can be also of different type. One is when you write the lower amount, when you write the higher amount, when you write on the wrong side.
Yes, sir. In the
Okay,
wrong book also, right?
in the
It can also be in the wrong book, like if it's
wrong
like say,
account.
yeah.
Yes, that can also be possible. So right now we are discussing these two. So buy Mohan 500. So this is error of posting means instead of writing 5,000, you have written 500. So in that case, it will be corrected by like by error of posting 4,500 in sales account.
Yes, sir. Sir, can this also be error of commission?
No, this is not omission. You have
Not
omitted.
omission, commission.
Yes, it is error of commission. But right now we are not in theory part. We are in practical part. So those four
Okay,
types of error is not in the practical one.
okay, okay,
If you have to identify, yes, it is amount related mistake. So that's why it is error of commission.
okay, okay,
Okay. But here it is error of posting, one-sided error. So how it will be corrected? It is a simple sentence you have to write. It will be by because on the credit side you have to write at least 4,500. Then only it will be equal.
yes, sir.
So by error of posting. in the credit side of sales account, or in the sales account you can also write, because you have already written buy, it means credit. So in the sales account, 4,500. This is the solution of this mistake.
Yes,
Okay. Now, if you make the same mistake, instead of writing 5,000, you have written 50,000.
mm,
Now you have written higher amount.
yes, sir.
So now you, how can you rectify this? You have to write 5,000, but you have written 50,000.
Yes, sir.
How can you rectify this?
You have to write 45,000 in Mohan account.
You have to write 45,000 in Mohan account, means you will make one mistake again.
So now we need to make it equal, right?
We have to rectify it. It is not bank reconciliation, so that we can have to make it equal.
Okay, okay,
We have to correct it. This is
okay,
already correct.
okay,
Okay, we have sold goods to Mohan, so Mohan to sales, it is correct.
okay.
In sales account, you have made a mistake. So to
Yes, yes.
rectify it, you will not make the same mistake in Mohan account also.
Okay, then you have to write by error of posting in sales account. Uh,
It will be on the debit side, because it should be 5,000. Yes or no?
yes, sir.
On the
Yes, sir.
debit side, you will write to error of posting, or wrong amount posting, like 45,000. Then it is equal to 5,000.
But then at the last, do we need to write some statement or something?
No, nothing. 50,000. Because after this, if you prepare the whole account, 50,000 minus 45,000, it is already equal to 5,000. Yes or no?
Yes, yes, yes.
So you have corrected the mistake. After that, if you write anything, that has no effect on this.
Okay, okay, okay,
So tell me, actually, we have just started the practical part. This is the question part. These type of question will be given. So we are discussing that. I will explain everything one by one, and then you will be able to solve the question of one-sided error.
okay, okay, sir.
So any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, then that's all for today. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Hi Chakrika, how are you? Chakrika, are you there?
Yes, sir. I'm fine, sir. How are
How are
you?
you? Okay, great. I'm good as well. Thanks so much for asking, Che. How was the day?
It was good, sir. What about yours?
Mine was good as well. Nothing special. Just some lazy stuff. Hi
Okay,
Tanisha,
sir.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम. कैसे हो आप?
गुड इवनिंग सर, मैं ठीक हूँ, आप कैसे हो?
मैं भी ठीक हूँ. Thanks so much for asking. Just a minute. Okay, everyone. So आज न्यू टॉपिक स्टार्ट करेंगे. चक्रिका, what's going on in your school? Please do let me know.
So we're doing work and energy,
And what topic in work energy?
like just introduction of energy.
Okay, that means Abhi just they have started as well. Only
Yes, sir.
work done topic has been covered. What about you,
Yes,
Tanisha?
sir.
So, we are doing gravitational chapter and we are on the topic thrust.
That means we are ahead of your school.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, good. But still, it's not like if you are ahead, so like you have to wait when they will come and when you will revise. That's not a thing. You should be revising on regular basis, okay? So please make sure to revise on regular basis, both of you. Hi Ramiz, Assalamu alaikum. How are you?
Walaikum salam. I'm fine. How are you, sir?
Good, I'm good. Thanks so much for asking. How's your day?
Yeah, it was good. You?
That's great. That's great. All of you, please turn on the video. Let's wait for 1 or 2 minutes because it seems like Gauri will also join. Let's wait for 1 or 2 minutes because it's a new topic. So I just wanted all the students should join. So let's wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, everyone, if you don't mind.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. So can I be back
Sure.
in?
Sure, sure. Take your time. No issues. I'll start once all join. All of you, please turn on your video in that meantime. Tanisha and Ramesh.
Sir, can I take it off? I'm not well.
चलो ठीक है कोई बात नहीं.